All right, greetings one and all, and welcome to day number 1, week 4 of our journey together. That's day number 1, week 4 of our journey, and it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here. Question, does everyone here have their Glat books?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, Diana, you're the only one?
Yes, sir.
You need to come and get your Glat book.
Yes, sir. I have to tell my mommy she just read.
Yeah, tell her to come to pick up your Glat book so we could go over the Glat book in class. All right?
I can tell her right now because she read outside.
Please, because you need your Glat book, all right? Okay, for those of you who have your Glat books, please go to your math books and write down, let's answer this question. So get your math book. DeAndre, get your math Glat book for me, please. And let's answer question number 1. It's the first page. Diana, are you there? Okay, Javon went first book. Candasia, do you see it?
Yes, sir. It's page 1. I already have it.
Okay, good. And Ariana, do you see it in your book?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Who else missing? DeAndre, do you see it in your book?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Javon, do you see it in your book? Pardon?
Me?
Do you see it in your book, Javon? Okay, great.
Yes.
All right. So, Diana, since you don't have your book yet, you have to write it down.
My mom says she might pick it up this evening after class after my classes.
Okay, that'll be great. Okay, so write this down, Diana, since you don't have the book. The rest of us, let's try to do it. DeAndre, can you read the question for me, please?
Using the digits 3, 5, 7, 1, arrange them to produce the largest decimal number that is possible.
Very good. Ariana, pay attention, please. Stop looking at your skin. Read the question for me, please, Candasia.
Using the digits 3, 5, 7, and 1, arrange them to produce the largest decimal number that is possible.
Very good. Ariana, what do you think is the largest decimal number that's possible with with these 3 digits?
Number 7.
No, they didn't say pick one. They say arrange the 4 numbers to make up the biggest number possible.
7,531.
Very good. That's excellent. That's correct. So the answer for this one, please write it in your book, please, is going to be, let me write it there. The largest number is going to be 7,531. And the reason why we do it is that we put the highest number in the largest position, the second highest number in the second highest position, the third highest number in the third highest position, and the lowest number in the last position. Okay. How do we call this number, Tedronique?
The number is 7,531.
Very good. DeAndre, how do we call this number?
$7,531.
And Javon, how do we call this number?
7,531.
Excellent. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. Everyone have this right? Are we good? Can I move this on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead, Tetronic.
May I read number 2?
Sure. Do you have your book, Tetronic?
Yes, sir.
Have you written this in your book? Tetronic, have you written this in your book?
I thought you wanted to do it in our Glat book.
Let me see your Glat book. I mean your Glat book. Have you written in your Glat book? You wrote the answer in your Glat book?
Yes, I wrote it before y'all wrote down the answer.
Okay. All right, let's move on to question number 2.
2.
Okay, so let's move on. Let me start sharing again. I don't want to use this. I want to use the actual thing. So what is the answer again before we move on?
7,531.
Very good. 7,531. Excellent. Moving right along to the next question. Question number 2. Go ahead, Pedronique.
The number 1,000,000.
That's not 1 million. What number is this?
Let me see.
That's not 1 million.
Oh, I know. 991,000.
No. What is this?
1,900,000.
No. Deanna, you want to help her?
Yes, sir.
What is this number?
191,562.
Very good. Say this number, Tetronique.
191,562.
Very good. DeAndre, say this number for me, please. DeAndre. I can't have from DeAndre. Javon, can you say this number for me, please?
The number is 191,562.
Very good. Ariana, what is this number?
1,000.
Not 1,000. That's not 1,000.
1,000,000.
No. We just were saying it, Ariana. You have to be paying attention. What is it, Candasia?
191,562.
Very good. Ariana, what is this number?
191,562.
Very good. DeAndre, what is this number? I don't think his mic is unmuting. Okay, go ahead. Tetronique, read the question, please.
Was rounded to 119.
No, 190,000.
190,000. Which place was the number rounded to?
Good. So what's the answer?
The answer is 90. thousand,
So again,
90,000,
no. It says the number 191,562 was rounded to 190,000. What place? They want the place. Was the number rounded to? So we get 190,000,
10,000.
10,000. So let's look. Let's look at the number.
I
So
start from,
in order to
I
round
start from the back.
in order to round it, you have to look at this number, right? Number 1. And is 1 less than 5 or greater than 5? Deandra, not Deandra. Tetranic, is 1 less than 5 or greater than 5?
Less.
Good. So that means we have to put a 0, right?
That's,
Okay. So since we have to put a 0, that means that we rounded to the nearest what? What place is this?
rounded to the nearest 9.
No. What place
One?
is it? What place is the 1?
Oh,
Candasia,
nearest 1,000.
Candasia, what place is the 1?
Number 1 is in the place of hundreds.
No, 1 is not in the hundreds place.
1,000.
1 is in the thousands place. So, Ariana, what place is the 1 in?
The thousands place.
The thousands place. Candasia, what place is the 1 in?
The thousandth place.
Very good. Javon, what place is the 1 in?
The thousands place.
Very good. And Diana, what place is the 1?
The thousands place.
Good. What place is the 5?
The hundreds place.
Ariana, what place is the Ariana, what place is the 6?
The tens place.
Good. And what place is the 2?
The ones place.
Good. So we rounded, in order to round this number, we rounded to the nearest what? We rounded to the nearest what?
Thousands place.
Thousands, because 1 is in the thousands place. So the answer for this one is thousands. Please write that down.
Because you can't build 9 up into a 10 because you have to be over 5 to round
Yeah.
round a different number.
That's correct. So,
Excuse me,
yes.
are we supposed to start an answer with a lowercase letter?
It doesn't matter. It could be capital T or small t. So thousands place.
Excuse me.
All right, let's move on to question number 2. Do we have this? Question number 3. Do we have this?
Yes, sir.
All right, good.
Yes, sir. Excuse me.
Candasia, you finish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Excuse me.
Someone saying asking a question?
Yes.
Yes, go ahead, Ariana.
Were we supposed to like put a box around the one like you did?
Yes, please do that. That's a very good point. Put a box around the one like I did. That to show you what number we rounded using. We use the 1 in the thousands place. All right, let's move on to the next question. Question number 3. Okay, good. Candasia, can you read this question, please?
Right. 70. What?
All right.
70 million
70 million, very good.
plus 6 million
Yeah,
plus 400,000
yes,
plus 20,000
yes,
plus 300
yes.
plus 80
Mhm.
plus 1 in plus 1 inches.
Yeah. No, it says in
1 in
standard form.
standard form.
Very good. All right, so how are we going to write this in standard forms? Standard form is with what? Numbers or words?
Numbers. It's the regular form.
Very good, regular form. So let's write it down. The answer is going to be
76 million
76 million,
420,000.
mm,
Four
mm, yeah,
400,
420,000.
and there's so we have to put a 0 there because there's no number to fill in the 1,000.
That's correct.
381.
Very good. So it's 3, 8, and a 1. Okay, good. Javon, can you pronounce this number for me, please?
Number is 70, 76 million 420,381.
Very good. Candasia, can you pronounce that number for me, please?
76,000
No, not 76.
7,600
No, that's not 100. And millions place.
76 million 4,020
420,000.
420,000 and 381.
Very good. Say it again.
76 million.
No, I mean Candasia.
Oh.
Go ahead, Candasia.
76 million
4,000,
420,000.
420,000, and 3,300, 3,000,
No, that's
and
not thousand.
381.
Very good. Say it again.
76 million, 4,020,
420,000.
420,000, and 30,
381.
and 81.
All right. Say it again.
76 million,
Yes.
4,020,
420,000.
420,000, yes, 381.
Very good. Say it again.
76 million, 4,020,
No, not 4,000. 420,000.
420,000, and 381.
Okay, good. Candasia, not Candasia. Tetranic, pronounce this number for me, please.
76 million. Um, 4,000.
No, 420,000.
420,000. 381.
Okay, say it for me. Again.
76 million. 420,000.
Yes.
381.
Very good. Ariana,
Yes, sir.
pronounce this number for me, please.
76,420,381.
Very good. DeAndre. 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 Hello, DeAndre. Okay, pronounce this number on the screen for me.
776 400,000.
Say it again.
400.
Very good. 76,420,381. All right, excellent.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, can I read number 4, please?
Sure. All right. Wait, you just read number 3. So I'm gonna let Ariana read number 4. Okay. Let's go, Ariana, read number 4 for me, please.
Place an X on the shape in which the digit 6 has the greatest value in the number.
Okay. Read those numbers for me, please.
3, 1, 2, 4.
No. Pronounce the number.
3,124.
Point 0.06.
0.06.
Mm-hmm.
6.1423.
That's not 1,000. Just say 6.1423.
Oh. 1 million.
No, that's 102.
102.346.
Good. So in which shape does 6 have the greatest value? Go ahead, Ariana.
On number 3, it had B, short word form.
Number 3, short word form. Oh yes, I skipped that. I'm sorry. Let's go to B. Thank you. We want to write the short word form. So what is that?
Short word form is basically like writing it in words.
So how are we gonna write this number in word? We already know what it is, right?
Yes, sir.
So we gonna say 70 million. 70 million
76 million.
76 million 400 420,000 381.
Okay, so when they say short word form,
Mr.
what they
Bookie,
mean is,
I'm gonna write short word form.
go ahead, what is it?
So you're gonna write 76
Mm-hmm. One moment, let me do something.
Yes, sir.
So it is
76.
6. Uh-huh.
And then you write millions.
Million, very good.
Okay, I'm gonna write 64
420. No,
I-
420.
oh sorry,
420 what? Thousands.
1,000. And then you're gonna write 381 and hundreds.
381 hundreds. This is short word form. Now, if they wanted word form, then we write the full thing in word form, but they only want short word form.
Excuse me, I'm finished number 3. B.
Okay. Okay, so for the short word form, we do not put hundreds. So please move that. My apologies. There's no hundreds.
So we just put 100.
No, just leave it.
Because when we do it in word form, that we can't put hundreds.
No. So it's just 76 million, 420,000, 381.
I fixed it.
Okay, please make sure corrected, everyone.
I corrected too.
Thank you.
I corrected it.
Awesome. Let's move on to question number 4. So question number 4 is the same one as we saw earlier. It says place an X on the digit in which, sorry, place an X on the shape in which the digit 6 has the greatest value in the number. Okay. So place an X on the shape in which the digit 6 has the greatest value in the number. So Javon, where would we put the X? Would we put it on 3,124.06? We put it on 6.1243 or 102.346? Where would we put it, Javon?
Three thousand.
So you think you're gonna put it here? He says we should put it here.
The first
Is he correct?
First.
He says the first one. Is he correct? Ariana, is he correct for the first one?
I think no.
Which one do you think it should be?
The middle one.
The middle one? Why do you think it's the middle one? Why do you think it's the middle one?
Because 6 is in the highest place.
Very good. That's correct. So in this number, what place is 6? Anyone can answer. What is the place for what is position of 6 in this number?
The one.
No, in this place. In this position. It's not in the ones. It's behind the decimal place. It's behind the decimal point. 2 places behind the decimal point. So that's not
That's tens or hundreds.
10,000.
no.
That's
That is,
tens or hundreds.
it is the hundredths place.
Let's place.
Hundredths. Okay. Then this is the tenths. Then this is ones. Okay. So 6 right there is in the hundredths place. How about this number? What 6 is in this number?
The thousand.
No. It's the decimal point is right there. So 6 is in what place? 6 is in the ones place, yes. It's in the ones place. And then when we come to this number, what is the place value of 6 in this number? Okay, this is the ones. This is the tenths. This is the hundredths. This is the thousandths.
10,000. Oh,
No, thousandths. Okay,
So that's thousand.
sit again.
So that means number 6 is just thousands for that one.
Not thousands, thousandths with the th at the end. So which one is the highest?
the
The
last one.
The last one? No. Ones is higher. Ones is higher than thousands.
The middle one.
The middle one, yeah. Because if you look at the place value chart, I don't know if y'all familiar with the place value chart. Y'all supposed to already know.
Value chart.
Y'all supposed to already know the place value chart. The place value chart. If you look at the place value chart, let me show you. So we have,
I see how it looks because I just Googled it on my computer.
okay. Good. You're supposed to know it though. It's supposed to be in your brain, not on the computer. You're supposed to know it. For Google. You're supposed to know it. So if you look carefully at this, so if we look carefully, right? So we have the what? We have the ones, Then we have the tenths place. Then we have the hundredths. We have the thousandths. We have the 10,000ths. We have the 100,000ths. And then we have the millionths. These numbers, these ones are smaller. These ones are bigger. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions, these are bigger, okay, than these. So that means that since 6 is here, 6 is bigger. The 6 that is in the ones is bigger. So that means the X should go on the middle one. And so when you write the X, you're gonna put a big X. So let me insert. Right, that's how big your X is supposed to be.
I'm finished.
Okay.
I'm finished too.
All right, great. All right, next up we have question number. Okay, so which one is the correct answer? A, B, or C?
B.
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 Anyone else? Yes, B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. So let's move on to question number. What's the next question? Number 5? All right,
Yes.
so
So,
question 5 says that they want us to read this for me, Tedrick, insert.
yes, sir. Insert the missing symbol in, Use the symbol to answer question 5. Insert the missing symbol in each of the boxes in the statement to complete it and make it correct. I'm finished reading it.
Okay, good. So which one is correct? So is 2/3 less than 1/4 or greater than 1/4? Let's start with that. Is 2/3 less than 1/4 or is 2/3 greater than 1/4?
I
Greater.
think I know the, yeah, it's greater.
You think 2/3 is greater than 1/4?
No, sir. 1
No.
over 4 is
One
greater than 2 over 3.
You think 1/4 is greater than 2/3? Tetranique?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about you, Ariana? What do you think?
I think it's 2/3 greater than 1/4.
Why would you say that?
Because 2 is greater than 1.
No, not necessarily. That's not the reason why. Remember, the denominators are not the same, so you cannot just look at the numerators.
You have to do the butterfly method.
The what?
Butterfly method
What is that?
is basically you draw a circle and you say 4 times 2. So you draw a circle over 4 times 2, and you say what is 4 times 2, and you put the 8 on top of the 2, 2 and 3, and then you say, and then you circle 3, 3 and 1, and you say what 3 times 1 is 3. So we put the 3 over the 4, and we look and we see which one is greater. So that means 2 and 2 over 3 is greater.
Okay, interesting way. Never heard about that before. Um,
Oh yeah, a teacher told teach me that too. My grade 4 teacher.
okay. All right, so the idea here is that we have 2 over 3, and we have 1 over 4. So think about it. What is the LCM of 3 and 4?
The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12.
It's 12.
Okay, so
12.
we know that what? Wait,
So
let me
it's
charge. 1 moment. Let me charge. All right, good. So we know that the LCM of 3 and 4 is what?
12.
12. Good. Oopsies. I might have made a big boo-boo. So, Scott. Let's do this again. So the first thing,
you have to write 3 and 4 times table, right?
yeah, so that's the first thing we have to do is find the lowest common multiple. So we have 2 and 3, 2 over 3, sorry. And we have 1 over 4. So the first step is that we must find the lowest common multiple of 3 and 4. So what are multiples of 3?
3, it's 3, 6, 9, and 12.
3, 6,
9
9, and 12, right? What are multiples of 4?
Are 4,
8.
and 12.
4, 8,
And 12.
and 12. Good.
Then you circle the 12.
Good. So we
So
circle the 12.
so
So 12.
1 over 4 is greater than 2 over 3.
We didn't do that. We didn't discover that yet. What is the LCM? The LCM is what?
12.
12.
Sum
12.
of 3 and 4 is 12.
So very good. So the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So what times 3 gives me 12?
4.
4. Whatever we do to the bottom, whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the top. So what is 2 times 4?
2 times 4. 8.
8. Very good. All over. What is 3 times 4?
12.
12. So that means that 8 over, that means that 3 over 12, that means that 2 over 3 is equal to 8 over 12. Now what is 1 over 4? What times
4, 1 times 3 is 3, and 4 times 3 is 12.
So we have to multiply the denominator, which is 4, by we have to multiply that by 3.
That's 12.
So multiply that by 3.
12.
It'll be equal to 4 times 3 is what?
12. And
Very good.
3 times 1 times 3, or 3 times 1 is 3.
It's
Sorry.
3. Very good. So that means we have so we have 3 over 12. So 1 over 4 is equal to 3 over 12. And 2 over 3 is equal to 8 over 12. So which one is bigger?
2 over 3
3.
is greater than 1 over 4.
Very good. Because
Greater than 1/2. I mean 1/4.
1/4. Because 8 over 12 is bigger than 3 over 12.
So, Mr.
So-
Pativika, we have to write that working in our books.
Yes. So that means
On
that 2 over 3, yeah, put it in your book. That means that 2 over 3 is greater than 1 over 4.
Mr. Petit, which book are writing book or the Glat book?
The Glat book, the Glat. Everything goes in the Glat.
Excuse me.
Go ahead, Ariana.
I don't have enough space to write all this.
There should be space somewhere. Put it close to your working, or you have to just write small, but you have to fit it in. But you don't have the right, you don't have the right A, B, and C, you don't have to write those choices. Just write the working on that side.
Yes, sir.
Where's Anwar? Anwar, are you there?
He said yes, sir, in the chat.
So 2 over 3 is bigger than 1 over 4. All right, are we done with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
now we go to we go to 1/4 and 25%. Which one is bigger?
1/4.
I think 1/4 is bigger. Candice, what do you think?
I think 1/4.
I think 1/4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Javon, what do you think is bigger? 1/4 or 25%? Say it again. Pardon? It's either 1/4 or 25%. Which one?
2/3.
I didn't ask for 2/3, Javon. I said 1/4 or 25%. Which one is bigger? That's what I said. I didn't ask for no 2/3.
1/4.
I think it's 1/4. Anwar, what do you think? 1/4 or 25%? Which one is bigger? And Ariana, what do you think? 1/4 or 2/4 or 25%? Which one is bigger?
Wait, what was the question?
1/4 or 25%? Which one is bigger?
25%.
I think 25%. Interesting. Why you say 25%?
Isn't 1/4 like 14?
No. Candasia, what do you think? 1/4 or 25%?
1/4.
Okay. How about you, DeAndre? What do you think? 1/4 or 25%?
1/4.
All right. Deanna, what do you think?
1/4.
Okay. So I got something for you all. The answer is,
Mr. Petit, I didn't get the answer.
what do you think it is? 1/4 or 25%?
I think it's 1/4.
1/4. All right. So the fact is that 1/4 and 25% are actually equal to each other.
Whoa.
Yes, they are equal.
Really?
Yes, they are equal. All right, because look at 1/4. 1/4 is the same thing as 25 cents. Because if you have 1/4 out of 4 quarters, that's 25 cents, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yes. And 2 quarters is 50 cents. 3 quarters is 75 cents. And 4 quarters is $1. So if you have 1/4, it's 1/4. That's exactly what 1/4 is. 1/4. Isn't it? Do you understand, Diana?
I'm a little bit confused.
Why you say you're confused? Go ahead.
Because if 4/4. Okay, now I get it now.
Yeah, it's 1 out of 4 quarters. And 1/4, 1 of the quarters is 25 cents. You could also divide it if you want to. 4 into, so divide 4 by 1. Everyone do that. Divide 4 by 1 and tell me what you get. 4 divided by 1. No,
Mr.
sorry.
Petit,
1 divided by 4.
in our notebook or our Glat book?
Everything goes in the Glat book.
Just making sure.
But I said everything goes in the Glat book. So you don't have to keep on asking a question. So much times 4 goes into 1.
0.
1.
Can't go into 1.
Really? I can.
Oh yeah, you
1 could go for 1 time.
Once.
Once? Nope, not once.
I got 13, but I'm not sure if that's
Nope, not correct.
twice.
Nope.
Oh,
That's 0.
Is it 4 times?
Nope. Someone said 0. 0 is close.
Once?
4 times.
No, no, not once, not 4 times. Nope.
3 times.
Nope.
2 times.
Nope. How much times
3.
4 goes into? How much times 4 goes into 1?
4 times.
4 times.
No.
Now this is getting hard.
25 times.
25 times? No.
What?
No one get it? Sometimes
No,
4
sir.
goes. So you can't divide 4 and thing them?
Yes, sir. You can divide that.
Yes, sir.
Can I go into it? Hold on.
Miss Libertine, let me get one more try and think.
Okay, go ahead.
A circle.
Hold on, I'm thinking. Let me see.
25 times.
No.
Is it close by 25?
So yeah, 25 is close.
38?
No.
20.
No.
Huh? No 38?
No.
Can you give us a clue?
Give you a clue? All right, let's do it.
Yes,
So
please.
let's divide. All right, how much times? So we have people in my class who can't divide. I don't understand how you're going to get 6 and you can't divide. All right, how much times 4 goes into 1?
1 time.
0 times. 4 times 0 is what? 0 minus 1 minus 1 is what? 1 minus 0 is what?
1.
1, very good. Now, do we have anything left to bring down?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
So that means
That's
we
our
put
remainder.
no, we don't do remainders. You're going in grade 6. No more remainders. You put a decimal point, and the decimal point, Ariana, pay attention. The decimal point gives you permission to put what? An imaginary what? An
0.
imaginary 0, yes.
0.
Good.
How
How much times 4 goes into 10?
10 times.
No, how much times 4 goes into 10?
Twice.
Twice, very good. Twice. 4 times 2 is what?
4 times 2, 8.
It's 8, very good. And you subtract.
And then you have, after you subtract, you get 2.
Very good. After you subtract, you do 10 minus 0. 10 minus 8 is? What is 10
10
minus 8?
minus 8 is 2.
Is 2. Very good. Now we put a next imaginary 0 because we already have the decimal point out. We put a next imaginary 0. How much times 4 goes into 20?
That's
5 times.
5 times.
5 times.
Good.
25 times.
So that means that 4 goes into 1 0.25 times.
Oh,
I
Mhm.
can't believe I can't divide. Oh my gosh.
And that is 25%. Okay.
I said 25.
Not 25, 0.25. There's a difference.
Oh.
Okay, so 4 times 0.25 is 1. So 1 over 4 is the same thing as 25%. They're equal. Please write this in your book. Again, please write this in your book.
Excuse me, Mr. Petito, I've already finished writing it.
Mr. Petit, I have 2 questions.
Yes.
Okay. How long will we be doing this class?
We continue. We continue.
Until school open?
Even when school open, we still continue.
Oh. Mr. Petit, what else? Gonna say? Oh yeah. Will we be having these Glat books in grade 6?
Yes.
Ooh. So I can study off of this until I get the grade 6.
Yes, you can.
It's
Nice.
Mr. Petite. Today is the last week of my summer school, so next week I'll be starting coming face to face.
Great. Awesome. All right. So let's move on. Do we have this written down?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
All right. Let's move on to the next question. What time is it? Okay. You still have time. Good. So, it says, can you read this, Diana, from the set of numbers?
From the set of numbers shown in the pattern, write down the following. A recurring decimal.
Decimal. What do we mean by recurring? What does recurring means? What do we mean by recurring? Recurring. What does recurring means? If something is recurring, that means it's happening again and again and again. And
It's
again.
repeating itself.
It's repeating. Very good. So, which of these numbers does have a recurring decimal? Was it A, B, C, or D?
49. 49. 49 is repeating itself.
No.
Is it 3?
Is it A, B, C, D, E, or F? Which one?
Is it B?
B? Why you say B, Ariana?
Because there's a 33.3 in the pattern.
Okay. So there is, she's right. If we look at this number, do you see the bar on top?
Yes, sir.
Good. What does that bar mean, Javon? Javon, what does this bar on 3 means? Javon, what does the bar on 3 mean? What does the bar on top of the 3 mean? It means that what? It means that the 3 is repeating itself over and over and over again. So that means that we have 33. That means we have 33 points. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and it continues, it never stops. So the recurring decimal is going to be what? 3.33. 3, 3 points 3. Put the bar on top. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right, so please put this in your book. The answer is 3.3. Put the bar on top.
Excuse me, I already have it.
All right, great.
Finish writing it.
Okay,
Mr.
good.
Petit, may I do 6-2?
6, 2. Okay, sure.
And can I do the answer too?
All right, let's move on to the second one. Okay, so we already know the recurring decimal, that's 3.33.3. Go ahead,
Is
Tedronique. Mhm.
a number that is divisible by both 3 and 7. So that means what number goes into 3 and 7?
Yes, what number? No, what number? What number out of these numbers? Which number that 3 and 7 could go into?
On the bar or I think it's 3. Is it 42? You mean on the chart, right?
Yes, which number? What could go into? What 3 and 4 and 7 could go into?
Let me see. Is it 49?
49.
Yes, sir. It's
No, it's not 49.
because at first
What number 3 and 4 could go into?
21?
3 and 7. Say it again.
21?
No, but 21 is not in it's not there.
Oh. I don't know.
Anyone else?
I think I know.
What it is, Javon?
49.
Say it again. 49. No.
It's me.
Go ahead, Ariana. What you think it is?
Can I go use the restroom, please?
Yes, you can. What number is it? DeAndre, what you think? Anwar, what you think?
I think it's 42.
42. 42 is correct. Divide 42 and 3, please, and tell me what you get.
Yes, sir.
So much times 3 goes
It's
into
8.
not 8, no. I said 3 into 42.
Oh, sorry.
Don't be so rushy to answer the question and the answer wrong. Take your time. And then you can give a better answer.
Is it 13?
13. Okay, anyone else get an answer?
I think it's 14.
14. 14. Someone say 14, someone say 13. Candace, what you got?
Still working.
Still working?
Yes, sir.
I think that it is 10.
10. Okay, interesting. All right, so let's divide 3 into 42. So 3 goes into 4 how much times?
12 times.
One once. 3 goes into 4 one time. So 3 times 4 is 3. And 4 minus 3 is 1. Bring down the 2.
So that's 12.
How much times 3 goes into 12?
How much 3 can go into
How
12?
much? Yeah, how much times 3 goes into 12?
4.
Yes. 4. Very good. And so 3 times 4 is what? 12.
12.
And what is 12 minus 12?
12 minus 12 is 0.
Yes, it's 0. So 3 times 14 is 42. And how about 7? How much times 7 goes into 42?
It's, let me see.
How much times 7 goes into 42? That's 8 times. Because 7 times 8 is 40. No, not 8. My apologies. 6 times.
9 times 6 is 42.
Yes,
7
sir.
times.
It's 6 times.
It is 6. Of course, it's 6. So 7 times 6 is 42. And 42 minus 42 is 0. And so 42 is divisible by 3 and 7. So the answer for this one is 42. All right. Once you finish this, please take a picture of your work and
Yes.
send it to me, please. Again, once you finish this, please take a picture of your work and send it to me
Yes, sir.
Right now?
right now.
Okay.
It's not okay. It's either yes, sir, or no, sir.
Oh, sorry. Yes, sir.
Ariana, where's Ariana?
I'm here.
Keep your camera on, please.
Yes, sir.
Again, once you finish, write this down, take a picture of it and send it to me right now.
Yes, I'm going to send it.
DeAndre? Where's DeAndre? DeAndre? Hello, DeAndre? Are you writing this down?
Yes, I'm putting it down.
Where's it? Why you don't have the camera on? You could be doing anything in the back there. I don't know what you're doing.
Every time I can
All right. What number you on in the question book?
the book,
Yes, what number are you on?
put my book.
Pardon? What number are you on? Tejanic. Not Tejanic. Ari,
Yes, sir.
DeAndre. Not Tejanic. DeAndre. DeAndre.
Excuse
Hello, DeAndre. I'm talking to you. Why are you not answering?
Excuse me.
Yes, Ariana.
My mom sent it.
Okay. You mean
I
sent?
just sent in the pictures too. The first,
Sure.
2 pages will be there.
Okay. DeAndre. I'm talking to you on the phone and you're not answering. Tiana, did you send in your work?
Excuse me, Mr. Boutique.
my mom isn't home.
Excuse me, Mr. Boutique.
Just left to go get something.
Yes, DeAndre.
Go pick up my book.
Excuse me, Mr. Petite. I already sent my work.
Excuse me, every time I try to screenshot it and put it in the chat, because my mommy ain't home, it says allow Zoom to access your photos from settings Zoom. That's what it says. Every time I try to send it in through the chat.
Hello. I received Tedronic work. I received um I received
You got my
Tedronic.
work?
I received Candace's work. I received Ariana's work.
Excuse me, every time I try sending in the chat, it says allow Zoom to access your photos from settings. From settings Zoom. Change settings.
All right. If I ever don't worry about it. When your mother comes home, then send a picture of it, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
On my book.
pardon?
I think she went to go pick up something or to go pick up my book.
Okay, sure. All right, so if you are ready, send in your work. You can leave if you finish sending your work. Javon, take a
Okay,
photo of
bye.
your work and send it to me, please.
Bye.
All right, take
Bye.
care.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow as well.